lot more space than there was last year, because last year we were just in like tiny cottages, and this year we get like a whole space.
We have circle chairs, and they're more comfier because they have padding.
You can like pay attention more, because if you're not comfortable, you're gonna be distracted.
Thankfully to our community who have voted our bond in and our mill levy, we have been able to execute some projects.
Once we went to the install, we had a 6-week-long turnaround to where we were going to remove everything, come in and build and reinstall everything over the summer. So when kids got back from their summer vacation and teachers got back, they walked into brand new spaces. We removed 340,000 pounds of old furniture, old cafeteria tables, old filing cabinets, old desks, which equated to about 10,000 pieces that went out and it was donated to communities in need.
Meteor Education provided the expertise, the support, the project management, all of the elements that we needed to execute flawlessly. It was definitely a one-stop shop. They had everything that we needed all in one, and they had all of the appropriate experts on deck.
And I cannot believe what Meteor delivered for us, which was a turnkey classroom that we had where thousands and thousands of pieces and thousands and tons of pounds of furniture were delivered and installed over a short window between the end of June and the beginning of July to make sure that those kids had new learning spaces.
The building has gotten brand new furniture everywhere. The spaces have been completely refreshed and renewed. The focus is making sure that all the spaces are functional and usable, but also inviting and just making sure that families and students all get to enjoy it.
Having that consistency across the grade levels, across the school, across the district allows for leveling the playing field a little bit so that everyone is provided with the space that they need.
This project allowed us to create an environment for today's learner, not for the past. Every learner is different. And the way that we engage with those kids, whether it be auditorily or whether it be through a hands-on learning environment, is going to change and shift. What we are able to do now is plan for the future and design these spaces to be adaptive to what comes next versus being responsive to the past. Kids in today's environment work in small groups, they work independently, they learn to stand up, they learn by sitting down on comfy seats and spaces. And so what we've tried to do here is provide a variety of modalities with the furniture of the classroom so we can be responsive to every type of a learner.
So by investing in the education of our young people, the community really is investing in our future.